Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics. Any complex problem look easy. Come along, what we have for today. It says multiplying two-digit number by another two-digit number. Now, the first thing, let's set it the numbers. We have 58 multiplied by 12. You rule your line here. Of course, this is the ones and the tens part. Now, the first thing, we use these ones to multiply this and this. When we are done, we use the tens to multiply this and this and add what we have multiplied. So let's go. 2 times 8, that's 16. 6, you carry your 1 here. Now 2 times 5 is 10, plus this one we have carried here. 10 plus 1, 11. Now you can clean it off so you will not get yourself confused in case you have to take another remainder. 1 times 8 is 8. Now 1 times 8, this 1 here, I will put it, because this one I'm using to multiply is the tens part, so I put the 8 here. I won't put it here because this is the tens part. So 1 times 8, I'll start from this place. 8. 1 times 5 is 5. So let's add the two of them together. 6 plus 0, that's 6. 1 plus 8, that's 9. 1 plus 5, that's 6. So 58 times 12 is 692. Let's go to the second one. 77 times 15. Of course, this is the ones and the tens part. Now let's multiply. We go again. 5 to multiply 1 and 2. When we are done, we use 1 to multiply 1 and 2. So let's go. 5 times 7 is 35. So we put 5. We'll carry our 3. Again, we go again. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus this 3, that's 38. We'll write it down. We are done with this. 1 times 7 is 7. Of course, remember this is the tenth. So we start from the tenth part. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So we add, put your 0 here. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5, carry 1. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1, that's 4. Plus 7, that's what? 11. So that's 1155. And the last one, we have 89 times 28. This is the tenth, this is the ones part. Now 8 times 9, that's 72. So we put our 2, we'll carry our 7. Now we are done with this part. We'll go again. 8 times 8, that was 64. 64 plus the 7 that we carry. Don't forget, sometimes some students forget what they carry there. That's 71. Are you getting it? So don't forget whatever you carried here. Now we are done with this. We'll move to this, the second digit there. 2 times 8, that's what? 2 times 9 rather. 2 times 9 is 18. We'll put our 8. Now carry the 1. You can put it under so that you will not confuse yourself. That's another problem, students. Sometimes you forget, and when you do 2 times 9, 18, then 2 times 8, instead of you to add the 1 you carried, you will go and add 7, forgetting that this 7 was for the previous one. So take note of those pitfalls. So 2 times 9 is 18. 8, carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus this 1 that we carry, that's 17. So add them together. So you have 2. 1 plus 8, that's what? 9. 7 plus 7, that's 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So that's 2,492. All right, let's go further. Let's look at further examples. This one says 63 times 35. So we put our 63 times our 35 rule. Of course, these are the ones, this is the tens part. So 5 times 3 is 15. You put down your 5. You take the 1 to the tens part. 5 times 6, that's 30. Plus this 1 is 31. So we write down the 31. We are done with this 5. We'll move to this next one. 3 times 3 is 9. Remember, we will not put the 9 here. That's another mistake students make. You come here, because we are starting with the tens part. So this is underneath the tens part 9. Put your 0 there. 3 times 6 is 18. So you put 18 here and add. So this is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1, that's 12. 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So that's 2,205. Let's go to the next one. 42 times 43. The next thing, this is the ones part, this is the tens part. So 3 times 2, we go again, that's 6. 3 times 4, that's 12. We are done with 3. Let's move to multiplying by 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. We put our 8 underneath it and add 0 here. 4 times 4, that's 16. 6 and 1. We add this 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, that's 8. And you have your 1 there, and that's all. Let's look at the last one. 28 times 53. Of course, the ones, the tens. 8 times 3, that's 24. We put our 4. We'll carry our 2 to the tens part. 3 times 2, that's 6. Plus 2, that's 8. We are done with that. Let's move to the next digit. 5 times 8 is 40. We'll put our 0 and carry our 4. You can write it underneath these 2 so that you will know. Or you clean this one and put the 4 there, so that when you multiply the last one, you will not be confused. 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus this 4, that's 14. So you put your 4 and 1. Let's add. So this becomes, this is 4. 8 plus 0, that's 8. And you have our 4 here. And you have our 1. So that's 1,484. All right, I hope you have learned in today's class. Okay, before we go, just like in our usual style, come along. Here are some list of take-home fun that you can practice at your leisure time. The first one says 77 times 16. The second one says 85 times 29. The third one says 68 times 34. The fourth one says 53 times 43. The fifth one says 93 times 56. And the last but not the least, the sixth one says 43 times 17. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and you have learned how to multiply 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. Tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class. Share our videos. Tell them that this is the happening place to be, a place where mathematics is demystified and complex problems are made easy. If you're also here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever a new video drops on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom. See you at the top.